Good evening, and thank you for joining me. I'm doing my last painting of the 5x5 Griffin series. So today we're going to be doing the reds. So we have metallic silver, metallic copper, Amsterdam Carmine, metallic gold, Amsterdam Pyrrole Red, metallic bronze, and Liquitex Basics medium Carmine red deep hue. So those are my colours today. So I'm going to start by putting my base down. My base is Boyle Licorice Black. So I'll just put this down quickly and blow it out. Okay, we will start with the silver. Then we will put a little bit of copper. Got a little bit on my finger. The Carmine red. Bit of gold. Pyrrole red. Bronze. And the Liquitex basics. Okay. Might just put a little bit more silver on the top. We will surround the puddle with the black base. Give it a little bit of torch and blow it over. Okay, see all these cells coming up here. It's very pretty. Okay, we might blow that out. Okay, that's quite pretty. Okay, so we will just wipe down the sides, get all the excess paint off. Okay, that was pretty much a quick one today. Just, this is very pretty in here. I might just think this is running out of gas. Okay. Okay, I think I might like that. I will bring you down to have a quick look. Okay, I'll bring you down to have a look at the red one. It's quite vibrant. Lots of cell action happening up here. It's a very bright one, this one. Oh, look at all that red in there. It's so pretty. And all the sparkles. You can see all that silver. There's the gold. A bit of the bronze. Okay, so here's a better close-up. So this is the red griffin. This is the last one of the series of 6. I decided to only do 6. It's a pretty one, this one. I love the vibrancy of the red. Okay, let me know in the comments below what you think of this one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please support my channel by pressing that subscribe button. Click the thumbs up, give it a like. By clicking the like button, it's able to be shown to spread to more people to view the video. Oh, look at that in there. That's so pretty. Okay, well, let me know what you think. This is just a quick video today, and I will see you again soon for another Dutch pour.